Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install YouTube TV on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. However, before installing YouTube TV on your Chromebook, make sure you are running the latest version of ChromeOS. For that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon and here click on settings icon. Now here click on about ChromeOS and click on check for updates and update your Chromebook to the latest ChromeOS version. Now click on app launcher icon and here look for apps and games, open it and here search for YouTube TV. Now from the search result, select the application. Now here you will get two installation option. If you want to install PWA version, click on install from web, and to install Android version of YouTube TV, click on get from Google Play. However, to install the Android version, you have to enable Google Play service on your Chromebook. So we already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the description box or you'll get the video link in the I button. Now simply select the version you want to install and here you will get the installation window. Click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. After that, close the window. Now click on app launcher icon and here you will get YouTube TV application. If you want, you can also pin it to Chromebook self. For that, right click on it, then click on pin to self. Now you can use the Chromebook self shortcut to open and use YouTube TV on your Chromebook. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.